What if I told you the biggest retirement lie ever sold to you is that your 401k balance is the number you should obsess over? Seriously. Millions of people open their retirement app every morning like it's a heart monitor, watching the market go up, then down, then up again, and every red day feels like their future is collapsing. But here's the crazy part. You could have $1 million in your 401k and still not feel financially secure. Meanwhile, someone else with half that amount could retire peacefully, confidently, and years earlier. So what's the difference? It comes down to one number almost nobody talks about. And once you understand it, you may never look at your retirement account the same way again. A few years ago, a man named David retired with what most people would call a dream portfolio. Just over $1.8 million in his retirement accounts. Friends envied him. Family thought he had won the game of life. But 6 months into retirement, David was stressed, anxious, and secretly terrified. Every market dip ruined his mood. Every unexpected expense felt dangerous. Why? Because despite the giant account balance, he had no idea how much income his money could reliably produce every month without running out. His focus had always been on the pile of money, not what the pile could actually do for his life. Now compare that to Maria. She retired with less than half of David's savings. But Maria knew one thing down to the dollar. Exactly how much monthly income she needed to live comfortably. Housing, food, travel, healthcare, fun money, everything. And she built her retirement plan around generating that number consistently. Not chasing a giant account balance, not flexing portfolio screenshots, just sustainable income. And because of that, Maria slept peacefully while David stared at stock charts at 2 a.m. That's the number nobody teaches you to focus on. Not your 401k balance, not your net worth, your retirement income gap. The difference between the monthly income you need and the guaranteed income you already have coming in. Because retirement is not about becoming rich on paper. It's about creating enough predictable cash flow to fund your life without fear. Think about it. If your lifestyle costs $5,000 a month and Social Security covers $3,000, your real problem is not building $10 million. Your real problem is figuring out how to safely generate the remaining $2,000 a month. That changes everything. Suddenly, retirement stops feeling impossible and starts becoming math instead of emotion. And here's where most people get trapped. Financial companies want you addicted to account balances because bigger numbers create stronger emotions. Fear when the market drops, excitement when it rises, but neither tells you whether your life is actually secure. That's why two people with the exact same portfolio can feel completely different about retirement. One feels free, the other feels panic. The numbers are identical, the mindset is not. Quick pause for a second. If this is already changing the way you think about money, hit the like button because it tells YouTube to push this video to more people who desperately need to hear it before they spend another decade worrying unnecessarily. Here's the powerful shift. Instead of asking, how big does my 401k need to be, start asking, how much monthly income do I actually need to feel free? That single question can completely transform your financial decisions. You may realize you don't need to work 10 extra years. You may realize your dream retirement is closer than you think. Or maybe you'll discover your spending habits are quietly sabotaging your future more than your investments ever could. At the end of the day, retirement is not a number sitting in an account. It's waking up without financial fear. It's paying your bills calmly. It's taking your grandkids out for dinner without checking your banking app first. It's freedom. And freedom comes from reliable income, not impressive balances. So stop obsessing over every market swing. Stop measuring your future by one giant scary number. Focus on the number that actually matters, the income your money can create for your life. If this video gave you a new perspective, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because we break down money and retirement in ways nobody else does. And comment below. What monthly income would make you feel truly financially free? Share this with someone constantly stressing about their 401k because they may be worrying about the wrong number entirely.